Hey guys, just going to go through the pre-market gainers and any open market. CTNT, basically a big bust up. I heard it hit a missed pivot and then it broke down. But basically, if you wait for it to break the sell-off candle, bounce down, bounce right over this 340 area, you could have had at least $1 real quick. And then it bounced down right here again, broke this candle right here at the 385, almost the 485, another $1. And then right here, these pin bars at the bottom, when it busted this right here at the 455, went it straight into a halt. If you look at halt and then you look at other stuff just downtrending as the stock is uptrending, you'll see it die down. And then yes, really good regain when it had a bullish engulfing candle. Entered right here, got this move, and then got this move from here to here. Waited a long time for that, but all good. Gonna go to AMC. Think we balled up in pre. Again, this is the area it's really trying to fight right here. The 1050 area, if it could regain, because it went up, down here. Now it's trying to form an ascending wedge. So it's really going to have to prove itself right here. So if you're going to see it, it's going to go there or it's not going to go there. It just pulled down right there, $1. So definitely you want to be seeing what you're seeing right here, a shallow W or anything right here. I'll get a quick one on this move real quick. And then we'll see if it can pop. We'll see it. If not, no big deal. I'm not going to cry about it. All right, so right here, you have the stock going up in pre, right here. Nice, easy moves right here. Just killing it. And then it comes down here, keeps killing it, and then it starts forming this. That's when you know it's kind of done with, because the hill's not as big as the hill over here. So that's very big. And now the stock is still downtrending. You can just be drawing your downtrending charts right here. And then right here, trade finished. And then right here, you'll see it come up here, form this perfect thing. And what you're seeing is wider to skinnier formations. And then right here at this level, if you're sitting here, this is an easy baller move right here. This is target 1 and target 2 before pre. I know this move all the time. It's coming up. It's basically a big head and shoulders right here. So right here, I will show you what I saw in that move and this move. You're basically getting head and shoulders. You're getting a shoulder, head, inverted, sorry, and then here, right here, and it's busting up, and then it proves itself. Here's another one. Larger gap down, break back up, and here it is. If you want to look at it, the inverted head and shoulders are right here on this indicator. So easy play all the time. And then over here, you're just seeing this same damn pattern. Sorry, doesn't change. You'll see right here, as this stock is finishing its last move right here, you'll see a couple things telling it it's all ready to go up and party now. So right here, once it breaks this level, here's target 1 and 2, and then it broke back down. Here's the same thing. Inverted head and shoulders, setting up for this 1050 break, and if it breaks, it breaks. I have a couple alarms there set up. GMB, baller move. If you'll see this right here, same thing. You'll see it bottom out. You'll see it regain, breaking over the previous sell candles. Right here, easy trade, target 1, target 2, breaking down right now. So if you're going to do a level right here, I would draw this trend line here and see if it's going to break that. So what it should do is go up. Here, I'll just draw one real quick. It should possibly be doing this, what you're looking for. And it should get tighter and tighter and tighter. And then if it goes, that's what you're looking for. That's like the Ross Givens. That's also any other program. You'll see it pop in a couple seconds right here, because this is basically a downtrend. And it's going to tell you it's done downtrending. All right, we're going to go to SPRW. It did make that move I predicted earlier. Basically, this is downtrending from pre. Great killer move, though. Look at these easy moves in pre. I mean, there's your first run up. There's actually 3 baby run ups in that run up. And then it broke down. If you want to see easy breakdown, you can sit here and just draw a trend line right here. Trend line's the easiest way to see it, because basically it's going to keep bumping, or my friend called it sliding. And then it just, after a while, just said, all right, I'm going to step back up. And then this is proving nothing over something right here. It's going during a certain section of a chart that I don't like, so I actually let it die. And then right here, you'll see the first run up again happen. And then it I'll draw that right here. You'll see the target 1 and a little bit extra on that one. Look at that big move right here, because once it breaks this and it breaks the previous run, that's when some shorts have maybe shorted it a little too early and got stuck in that trade. Same figure. If you want me to show you the figure one more time, I'll show it to you in here. You'll see this ledge right here. And what you're going to do is see the shoulder, the inverted head, the shoulder, and the upswing, saying this is going down, this is slightly going up, and then right here it proves itself right here to go upward. Sometimes it's a little early, you're going to wait a little shake, but clean move, still stayed above VWAP. You can call that a VWAP bounce as well. And otherwise, it's just a perfect trade for me. And if you wanted even this one, if you're really aggressive, you can just see this trend line has to go down, up, down, and then it broke this area, went up for that move. So if you can see the miniature moves, I can see the miniature moves now. Right here, this is the same exact area. It broke down. Right when this last move is breaking down, something else is already going up. Tells you that's the rebound coming. And then right here, nice platform. Here's your target 1, a little play. Target 1's not bad. That's 70 cents on a move. Holo, I wonder if it's been fighting at that VWAP for a while. But again, right here, it just keeps basing down. Right here, that's an easy stair stepper to see. Right here. So look, downtrend, stair stepping up. Once it breaks half of a sell-off candle right here, that's your up, your down, and your breakout, and your down, and your breakout. Same thing, it'll actually test exactly almost at the same area. So if you miss a trade, I'm going to tell you a trick. Leave your trade on the board. Because in a couple minutes or two, it'll just go grab your trade and take you to the promised land. So if you miss a trade, just go ahead and leave your trade on the board. I will tell you that that's worked out for me more times than none. And then again, down here, it's downtrending, but it starts retrending. So if you just stay these, look. So even on these downtrends, there are uptrends. So you can trade on the way down, on the way up, the sideways. It doesn't really matter. All you need to do is look. If you miss this one, you've never walked a set of stairs in my life. Right there. Right there. You can draw your fibs right here. Take this trade like you're blind. And there's your target 1 and a little bit extra. Looking for a VWAP. You don't have to get it all. But let's look at this 315 to 332. And everybody laughs at 16 cents. You ever buy 1,000 16-cent? There's no 16-cent coins, but if you see it, and then right here, same thing, bounced down, bottomed out, smaller candles, and then it just started breaking back up again. So really hard, you'll just see these, eventually they're going almost pure in candles. I will draw one more thing real quick and show you what it actually looks like. You'll see it a lot easier this way. So right here, this is the shelf. You might look down and see some extra juiciness that you can tell. And then once it breaks here, it goes up here. And if you want the easiest shelf, right here is the easiest shelf to break. See it retest. So if you miss this trade right here, about 6 minutes later, watch, it comes grab your trade and goes right back where you planned anyway. So you're basically just stair stepping up or sliding down. Here's the slide down section right now. But if you can't see it, just zoom in. So if you wonder why I don't trade this, tell me how to trade that. I can't see any entries. You'll see this thing just look like a boiling pot of anything. You cannot see how to get in. It's not breaking a previous candle. It's not doing all that garbage. But as soon as you go zoom in, you start seeing the intricacies that I see. So that's all I'm telling you to do. Look at those. Let's look at one or two more. Plug smoked it in pre. Look at this. I didn't get any of this. I wake up an hour before open and then just watch, and I do. But look at that. That's some big moves on here. The easy ones to see. Here's your first run up right here. If you could have had this one, this is a better run up. But if you missed it, you missed it. Because look, that's 3 minutes. You got to go get together. Now, once you see it come up here, this is a good time. You draw your fibs here like Rob does. And there's your instant target 1 at the break. You see it come back. So if you miss that trade, watch. comes down, grabs your trade, and goes back up. So that's really the breakout points. Once I start seeing this, they'll come retest there, and then they'll go back up. Now you see it break down when it's overbought. When it's overbought, it'll break down, and then again, just draw your trend line until it starts re-breaking back up. So very easy trades to see if you can start getting keen. I actually put a trade in here to bounce off of here. So once it came down here, it grabbed my trade, went right back up to there. And that was a trade I actually didn't take here, forgot about it, and I'm back out of the trade. So all these key levels are very important, basically, because that's where buyers are saying, I can't pay more. I can't pay more. Damn it, you're making me pay more. And then I'm paying more. Oh, I'm so disgusted with myself. All right, let's sell it. Bam. Okay, that's a good price. Let's start buying it again. So that's what support, resistance, and eventually fails back, and see if that's support. And it was temporarily, and now it's just slow grinding off. Draw your trend line again, move it up just a tad, and that's it. And then the only one at the open I saw was this CTNT. You'll see this grind up. Hopefully that looks almost like a 5-minute sad chart. So right here, let's do it on a 15-second so you see the shape. You see it obviously downtrending right now, so let's just, I don't think it holds downtrends. Well, let's just see all the uptrends you had in that boring thing. Let's look at a 5-minute chart to get a good laugh. Okay, 5-minute chart. You probably could have got this entry right here. But it also did run up to $6 in one candle. Let's say you're up in here going, holy crap, I got to ride the wave. And then 4 seconds later, what? It just went up $3, missed monthly pivot. Let's go over the details again. 15-second chart. And all I'm saying is it's going right now. I'll show you the inverted head and shoulders it just did right here. Can't see that? Can't help you. So right here, shoulder, deeper shoulder, small. Now the buyers are willing to pay more on the bottom side, and there's your target 1 pop. And that's a 20-cent pop on a downtrend. I don't even know where the hell VWAP is, because I really don't care. All right, so get a little aggressive today. Sorry, people. All right, so right here, let's look at that crazy pop that you saw, the 622. Or the 648. Look how it went up. And then you go, somebody bought that. Some guy, well, not talking to his wife right now, but some guy bought this stock right here. And somebody shorted it. Because if somebody didn't, so hopefully what happened is somebody sold their shares and somebody that shorted it bought it. But there's also a guy sitting there, but, and then boom, down. Now he's down $3 in 3 minutes per share. Let's say he bought 1,000 shares. He doesn't know what happened, negative three grand. And now you'll see the stock make this nice little plateau right here. If you're good, you can see this. If you're really watching it, you'll see this move. But if not, you'll see it right here. This will be your target 1 pop. You'll see, look, making higher highs and higher lows. That's all it's doing, just on a micro level. And there it is. And then right here, same exact order you missed. Boop. Right back to the promised land. Now this one ditched out a little bit more, but look. And now if you see this little zigzag, this is where it went into a halt. People usually get excited with a halt. But there's also other indicators telling you it's kind of overbought at that halt. I actually have 3 saying get the hell out if you're in it. But, you know, sometimes we're so used to the runners we hold. I'm not greedy. I can live off of this and walk away the rest of the day on 1 stock. That's all I want. You give me 5,000 shares on a dime move, I'm good. And this one I'll take all the way, every day, to that one. All right, but here you'll see the same confluent area. Once it got up here, that was a resistance, broke through resistance, bounced off it. That was a little bit of a support. And then right here, this is the better one, because look, it bottomed out, meaning you're going to now get a low price like here, and it starts regaining again. Look at that same set of fibs. So that's where it's definitely destined around. And now it's just at some micro level, but still making moves all the time. and it really never broke pre-market highs. So if you're a breakout trader, you don't get any trades on this, and nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's not the best stock to trade, but if the traffic's there, it's easy to see. Let's go look at one more. AMC still kind of downtrending. Hopefully, and let's say you didn't trade today. This is a perfect drill to do right here. We're going to sit here and see if it breaks this real quick and goes up. We'll see. It's going to have to break that 10.01 level. And we're going to just snap it and see if it does in a second. So right here, the stock is downtrending. Clearly you see this. And then clearly, this is just shorting. Somebody getting rid of all those beautiful stocks they bought so previously, early and yesterday for $4, and now it's up to 13. I'll take my money too. And there's definitely bigger plays. How can somebody just ditch this after look at all this? So somebody ran this sucker up, sold a lot of it here, start buying it when it was cheap again, start running it up here. But for you, the retail trader, these should be very easy platforms. Look, inverted head and shoulder right here. And then it bounces up because now you see the higher low, and now you see the higher high, go. It's just in the area. So right here, as predicted, right there, can't help you any more than that. So basically when it goes up, pulls back, and the pullback is not as aggressive as that, that's where I draw my fibs. And you see it happening right here on the screen. You'll see it right here as well. You'll see the downtrend. You'll see these two lower lows. But if you look down, you'll see some higher highs on some other indicators saying it's about to rebound. I'll give you a quick hint. That's the one that tells you it's going to rebound. So right here, this is 1, pull back, 2, and 3. So I'm going to draw the fibs based on this. You'll see the other move. So zigzagging down, and there's your target 1 instantly, and then the slow grind up possibly to target 2. But look, same thing. Instant impulse, real quick, because once it breaks this area, it's just like the breakout on the bigger plan, but this is a little more guaranteed because the price is not crazy. You're not fighting all these people for these breakouts. Like this person right here. He's going, I see the ascending wedge. It looks sexy, but if he's greedy, so I would have done this. I'll draw the fibs for this maneuver. And that would have been a target 1 move, and I'm happy. And look what happens. Garbage the rest of the time. So if you want to see the other move, you'll see it right there where it dips out, and it's now oversold, and it's ready to rebound. And that's your real move right there. So that's target 1, a little bit extra. Here's your little support. It bounces on support and keeps going up. And there's your full resistance. So if you start looking at it a little bit different way, look at what it did. It just did that move. Stocks just come down to timing. I mean, think of this person. Maybe he bought 1,000 shares at 10.63 going, oh my God, I'm gonna hold it. Oh my God, I lost $1 per share, per 1,000 shares. And they're like, okay, I think it's gonna go. Now he's greedy. He's actually at negative $50 and get the hell out of this trade. Goes, no. Oh my God, I'm getting close. Now I'm negative 200. No. And it can just go to garbage the rest of the day. But either way, you'll see this, and you'll see the other shoulder, then you'll see the fade off. So I'm going to draw that. It can break trend right now. And then all you're going to do is see the exact same area. If it does decide to go, it'll go. But this could be the other shoulders, the head and shoulders that actually is a reversal. Because you'll see, look, low, high, low. But there it is. Buyers are willing to pay more. But whatever. I don't like the downtrend trades. I do like the uptrend trades. They're a little more secure. Downtrend, it could reverse right now and just finish out the shoulder at a corner. So all good. Hopefully, if you look at this historically, then you can see it live the other direction. That's what all I would do. Happy trading. Let's look at GameStop. Okay, that's leveled out. You'll see this boost. You'll see all these things say take the trade. All these 3 things say take the trade right here for this move. And this says, yeah, we'll take a baby trade here. But right here, this is kind of like the zero line trade. So if you want, you draw a long trend line, leave it there, put some alerts. Look how sad that alert was at 67.50 a while ago. So I put an alert at 54.34, and then a couple hours later they tell me to come take it. I'll probably take it because this was easy to see, but now it just has to keep going. So otherwise it did 1, 2, 3 up, and now it's a little more downtrending temporarily. But it is the hot stock of the day. And all that is now you see the bigger numbers. Earlier in pre, it was down to 10, 13 shares. Very, very low. And now that it's cheaper, see, people are willing to put more money in it. So right there, don't get excited with one candle. That's all I can tell you. That's the other thing I used to make mistakes on. Just let something form. So right here, let's look at what formed. Here's your necktie. Here's a little higher necktie. Not amazing. And then when it breaks all those neckties of that W, there's your player. Just a little patience. And look what that patience pays off right here. And if anything, let's say you got in early here, no big deal, but somebody might have stopped you out with that little quick play. That's probably actually a stop out play. Right here, stopping somebody out that put that nearest low. And I have no problem with nearest low, but look, it does finally break out. So look, I say one try, second try, almost third try, bounced down, and broke on the fourth try. That's what we've noticed over a long time of trading. You'll see all that. So y'all have a good day. Thank you so much. Going to go hang out and have some fun with my friend. He's somewhere in the picture. Over here, Chad. I think he's over here learning. We had a couple of drinks last night. Had a good time. Hey, y'all have a good one. Thank you.